Figured I show you guys how pull a refrigerant sample off of the chiller. So this customer requires them, so we do them once a year. So I'll typically go ahead and I'll pull 500 on this, isolate it, and then I just have this pulling on the hose. So I'll shut this off. That way it's never going to be perfect, because you'll always have this, just this little amount that's going to have air. So I'll take this with me. We'll go over to the chiller in question here. So you want to make sure your machine's running. So we got that. So your high side's going to be all the way up there. Now, that's, I don't know, 10 feet. And you're trying to put a scale on this. So I'll just pull off your liquid coming. Now, technically this is like low pressure because you flash off. But I'll show you, it works just as good. It's on the ground. It's an easy, lazy way to do it. So we got the cooler up on the scale. We're all zeroed out. We got the canister valve open there. So go ahead, open this up. And we're gonna want to back seat this. Just a little bit. Good on the scale, close enough. And slowly watch it. So we're shooting for about a pound of refrigerant, what they want for the sample. And then we just normally send it off to the train labs. About halfway there. Another like 15-20 seconds. So we just pull about a pound and a couple ounces. So went ahead and closed that up. Definitely need to make sure you front seat this valve again, but that is pretty much it.